So today we get information about APS underwater assault rifle, its origin in Soviet Union.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up,
So
never
its
slow till I
origin
finally
and
prove it.
type.
Never
Origin is
listen
in
to
Soviet
the
Union
no's,
and
never
is a
listen to
type of
the no.
underwater
Keep my
assault
head
rifle
up when
used
I
by
fall.
divers.
Head up, that's a fact.
Designer
Never
and
looking back,
designed
I'ma keep
date and
myself on
name
track.
as shown on the
Gotta
screen.
stay
Manufactured
strong,
Tula Arms
always
plant in
staying
Soviet
calm.
Union.
Feel how the
It's
beat goes
produced
down my spine every
1975 to
time.
till
Push myself
present.
to be the best.
Its mass or
Be the
weight is 3
best.
kg
Be
if
the
empty
very
and
best. I'ma push
3.9
myself
kg
to
if
the
loaded.
limit and I have some
All
mad
details
enemies.
are shown on the
Chaos is
screen.
genes,
To
they
extend
know
it,
they
an
wanna see me
interacted
try to
barrel.
find a
Its
way.
length
They
300
tell us to
mm
go
and
on,
width
so I gotta
65
hold on.
mm.
And the only thing I know is to love
Now
what
we
I'm
get
doing.
information
Never
about
give
their
up, never
cartridge
slow
and
till I
caliber.
finally
So
prove it.
it's a
Never listen to
5.66
the
mm
no's, I just wanna
caliber.
keep moving.
Action
Yeah, I
gas
put out all
accurate
these
rate
fires,
of
I'ma
fire
burn till the
600
flames
rounds per
out.
minute in
Never
air,
give up,
and
never give up,
underwater
yeah.
it
I
gets
just wanna
different.
be screwed, feel my own
So now
adrenaline
we
rush.
get
Never
underwater
lose what I
its action
believe in.
rate.
I hope you let me in, let me in,
So
let
as
me
shown on
in.
screen, effective firing range underwater 30 meter at depth, its accurate fire on 5 meters. 20 meters at depth, it accurate fires on 20 meters. 11 meters at depth, it fires accurately on 40 meters. It's basically used for divers. Its maximum firing range upper water means in the air is 100 meter and feed system is 26 round detachable magazines. It's used for the divers.
Everybody listen up, cause I'm
This
about to
rifle
speed
having a
up.
long range
Show you
than
how I
spear
do
guns
it.
and it
Never
accurately
give up,
fires on the
never
opponent.
lose
It's
what I
used for
believe in.
shooting the
Gotta
opponent
keep
diver
getting
through their
better.
reinforced
Higher
suit
than
and
one. I've been
protective
having
helmet.
fun. Working hella
So
hard
now we
and I
start
just
about
wanna
knowing
have
how many
fun. I
countries and which
decided to
is the
live
countries
life
are
like a
using
gun.
this rifle
Shoot
in
is the
present
shit
scenario.
and I'm just
So
trying
it's
to
used
prove
by
it. Never
India,
give up,
Russia,
so I gotta get through it.
Azerbaijan,
And the only
China,
thing I
Soviet
know is to
Union,
love what
Cuba,
I'm doing.
Kazakhstan,
Never give up, never
Indonesia,
slow till I
etc.
finally prove it.
So
Never
that's the
listen to
countries
the
are
no's, I
using that
just wanna keep moving.
assault
Yeah, I
rifle,
put out
APS
all these
assault rifle
fires, I'ma
in
burn till
present
the sun
scenario.
out. Yeah,
So I hope you
better
like
be the
that video.
best, be the
Thanks for
very,
watching.
very
Jai
best.
Hind.